Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Alpha. In this video I'll show you how to download and run the Android Studio for the first time. So we download the JDK for our Java environment. So I'll come to the website. So the link is provided on the description, all two links. So now this is Android Studio. So if you need to accept the terms to view the Android Studio. Okay, so as you see, I'm inside. This is the type of Android Studio you can choose. You want. For me, I'm using a Chipmunk, which is a 2021 page. As you see, I'm using this Chipmunk. So if you want to use the same as mine, so you come here, then you choose your device here, then you download, which means it's a 64-bit. So after this, then you need also to download the Java runtime, which means it's our JDK. So as you see, on our Java, these are the types of Java you can use. You can use a 17 or 21 or 22, but for now I'm using Java 11 for my project. So you can come here, then you click download, click Java, then you choose your device here. For me, I'm using a Windows, so I'll choose this Windows. Then you click here to start downloading. Okay, so after downloading, you need to install this. So after installing this, also install Android Studio. So I have already downloaded the Android Studio and installed. So now I'll create a new project. Okay, so I'll scroll down here to choose the empty activity. Then next, as you see, this is the name of the application and this is the package name. This is the location where the project will be saved. So you can change this by coming here, then you change your project. So also I'm using a Java language, which means I'm targeting the minimum SDK of a version 5, but the maximum, we'll say the maximum of a XDK, we are targeting Android version 12 or version 13. So after this, then I will click next. So if you want to target from version 8, you can choose here, as you see, the minimum SDK from version 8 upwards, or if you want version 4, you can choose the version 4. Okay, so the project will download all the required items to run the project. For example, this one is saved. It's using my old JDK. So what I will do here, I will show you. I'll pause this. Don't have enough data to download all the files, I can show you the shortcuts. You just wait for the project to load a little bit, then you disconnect the internet. So once you pause this, then you can come to your left hand side, to your right hand side here, then you choose this friendly, then you open settings, you click this settings, then you click the settings. Okay, so as you see, this is friendly home, so I can change this. So I'll create a new folder here so that I'll back up my friendly. So if you come to your drive, then as you see, I created these three types, so you can create a new folder here, then you name your folder. So I'll choose mine. So if you, as you are starting, you don't have this, so you need to create a new folder in your drive, then you name as a backup or you name as a SDK and friendly. Okay, so inside the folder, then you choose. So I'll choose mine. Also here, I'll choose this is a JTK that we downloaded, so I'm using a Vision 11, so I'll choose the Vision 11. Okay, so I'll apply the changes, then I'll save this. Then I'll come to the right hand side, to the left hand side here, so I'll click Files. Then I'll come to Project Structure. Okay, so as you see, I'm using a 7.2.1, so you can choose this plugin. Then here the version is 7.3.3. Okay, so here you select your SDK location. As you see, this is my SDK location. It's the same as that one for the friendly, but I choose the SDK. So here in this module properties, you need to select the compiler SDK. So the SDK is the targeted SDK of your Android devices. So we are targeting Android 12. As you see, this one is Android 12 here. So I'll choose Android 12, or you can use a Android 31, or you can use a 33, but 33, for now I don't have any setup for 33, so I have for 32 and 31, so you can choose between these two, one of you want. Then in build tools, you can download build tools for version 30 or 30.3. Okay, then you save your project. Or if this is not appearing, so you can cancel this. Then you come to SDK manager. So as you see, all types of SDK platforms, they are loaded. So as you see, I installed one, which means it's 30. You can install 32. You can install this 32. So to install, you click here, so that will download. Then you choose the tools this side. So I installed a 33.01, and the 30 is inside my project. Before I was using a 30.00, so you can choose one of you want. Then once you done that, you come here on a Android location, then you choose your location. So you click edit, then you choose your location to save your SDK. So once you have done that, then you click apply, then you say okay. Okay, so the project is successfully synced and files are successfully downloaded. So now, if you are getting any of this vision, so I will provide a doc with the files to change. So if you run the project, then you are getting errors from your project, which means you need to come to create the script here. Then you come to then you come to project application here. Okay, so as you see, these are the plugins that are applied to my project. So if you want, you can set off, then you use these files. Okay, so this is the doc that I provided. So you can come here and you copy all these files. Okay, so you copy these files. Then you come here and you paste, you delete the previous, then you paste these ones. Okay, so as you see now, I'm changing the default settings. So then you come to modules here. Okay, so this is the default, so you need to change these files. So you can copy this this independence, then you paste it here. Okay, so now you are reversing this coating and design materials. Okay, so then we go back. Okay, so once you are here, we need to change these lines. So close these ones. Then we come to here, then you can paste this. Okay, so once you are done, then you sync the project. It will download these files for this project. If you are getting an error from the first one. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, also share my videos. Goodbye. Please download this application. You can get more lessons as a beginner. Provided a lot of lessons. There are a lot of lessons, and I'm adding more. So you can get the source codes. You can watch the video through this application, all of my videos. Also, you can get these source codes. So please subscribe my channel. Also share my videos.